Lisa here with the Color and Umbrella. If you've ever made a tumbler and used the man glitter, you know that it can be super intimidating. Also, it is sometimes hard to get it to lay flat. So I wanted to show you a little trick so that I'm not sanding for the next 20 hours. I have this tumbler here that I have already applied my man glitter to. I always apply this kind of glitter, like whenever it's the glitter chips, with the epoxy method. I've tried it with the other techniques that there are, and this is just, trust me, this will make your life so much easier. Just apply super, super thin coat of epoxy on your tumbler and then coat it with your man glitter. Today, I ran out of my parchment paper, which I normally use to like pat this down, and I was gonna do a glove, but I was running low on gloves, so I didn't want to do that. So then I noticed that I had these sheets left over from my vinyl that I had just barely wrapped a cup in. You've used vinyl before, you know there's always one side that is just like the regular kind of, it's not papery, it's still like shiny, but there is this one side here that is, it's like the shiny slick side. I don't know how else to describe it. It's the side that the vinyl sticks to. So I thought to myself, I wonder if that would work. And I tried it and I was so shocked and surprised, and I have to show you this. Like I said, this has already been going. I used fast set epoxy. I always like to let it sit for a minute, probably about 5 minutes before I do this with my fast setting epoxy. If it's regular epoxy, I like to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before I do this. So I'm gonna turn off my turner, and all I'm gonna do is take this, and again, you want this shiny sheet, just like the shiny side. Don't do the side with the words or whatever on it. And I'm just going to kind of lightly take it, wrap it on there, and then just kind of rub your cup. Now don't touch your cup because you got epoxy on there. You don't want to get that on you. You don't want to run this up and down your cup because I don't want to remove any of the glitter chips or the man chips. But look, and none of it really comes off on my cup either. Now it's all flat on the top. Now I have a little section in the back that I wasn't able to get. Just again, take my little carrier sheet here, and I'm just going to just rub it on there. That's all you really have to do. Putting pressure on it, basically. This, like, I don't know, this is just like super non-stick because your vinyl is supposed to come off of it. So because of that, it just, I don't know, none of my glitter sticks to it. The epoxy doesn't really stick to it. And then for the bottom, I just take this and I'm just going to kind of pat it. I don't want to rub it at all because that will take it off. And I don't want to, because this is not cured, so it will move your epoxy around. So yes, there you have it. Now my man glitter is perfectly flat to my cup. So once my bottom coat has cured enough, I can do another coat of epoxy on top of it, and it should be smooth and I won't have to sand a ton. Maybe this was already a thing, but I just felt like I would be doing a major disservice to the tumbler and crafting world if I did not share that little tidbit of a trick or a hack or whatever you want to call it. But if you have any questions on it, please let me know. I hope you have the best day ever and happy tumbler making. Bye!